All right, here's a quick walkthrough to set up a product with Gumroad. First thing, you just go to Products and then click on New Product. Once you do that, you can be ready to put your first name in of that product. Click Digital Product if it is a digital product. Go ahead and set the price below. And then once that's done, you can go to the next step. Okay, now you can go ahead and put in the details. That means the description, the name, all those extra things. Maybe you want to customize the URL. It's pretty straightforward. That's what I like about this. So I'm going to go ahead and take the part of the name, put that in URL. And then once I do that, I can move on to the next step. What's the next step? Well, I can go ahead and upload an image. You're going to upload a cover image. Pretty easy, straightforward. And that's what I like about this to walk through. It's pretty user-friendly. The next step here, once you've uploaded that, your cover, we can go ahead, check things out, make things look good on the right side, which is your preview. Okay, and it does look good so far. We're going to need a thumbnail, so we definitely want to add a thumbnail to this as well. Once again, we've added the thumbnail. We can go to the summary, give it a little quick summary of what it actually is. Save, continue. Okay, so we're almost there. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to upload the product. Okay, in this case here, we're going to upload a PDF. Easy enough. Just grab it from wherever you have it on your computer. Once uploaded, you'll see it confirmation of 100% once it's through. Okay, now next step. You may have to confirm your email address like me here. Not a big deal. Once you do, though, and you publish your gig, you are good to go. Basically, the last part here, again, just going through, making sure you have the right category, whatever your niche is. There's multiple categories, and then adding some tags to make it easier for people maybe to find you. All right, we can save the changes. And the last step really is the payout part, because we want to make sure that they pay you out, whether it's through your bank or through PayPal. Let's see what it looks like incognito. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you actually share the link. It looks good. If you need help, you can always go to ChatGPT to write a better description maybe for your product. But this is what it looks like when they get ready to buy it. And again, making sure that when they check out that you are all set in the payout section. So go to your settings and make sure everything is correct the way you're going to get paid. This is a quick tutorial. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.